Hi guys, I'm here at Pinoy Panadero. You can locate it at Sarawat Gate 1. I will taste this one. This is cheese bread from Pinoy Panadero. Let me start to eat. Tasteful. Ang sarap pala. This is my first time to come here. Wow, ang sarap naman. Ang sarap. And there's another one. What is here? This is their pandesal. Pinoy pandesal. If you want to taste the Pinoy pandesal, Pinoy Panadero, here you come to Sarawat.
What?
I love this. Also this, they have this munggo, pandesal. Let's start tasting it. The dough is so soft. Really. Trust me.
Hello. What? Hello. Hello. One. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Assalamualaikum. Hello. واحد السلام عليكم hello
Mapa-fire out ako nito eh. Ganun na. Nandyan ka pala sa ano. Pinabayaan mo na yung location mo.
hello واحد